Okay, so if you want to create braided ring as shown in photo, so let's make one line, one circle. The dimension is given here 54.98 line from 0, and there is one circle. Okay, so use divide command as shown in video. So divide command is it will create automatically new points on the line. You have to specify your number of points division. Okay, so now then after select the line, or we can create the new line of that particular segment. So what we have done, we have just created line as shown in dimension and given command divide div. Then after on new segment we have created new line, and then after the on this new line we have created new segments, new divisions. Okay, now use curve through points, select all the points so that the history will remain connected. So if I change the points, it will also change the line. So use specific dimension so we can apply at the another side. So do as shown in video, then after you will understand automatically at the end of the exercise. So specify the value, specify the points, and move as shown in the directions. Okay, so this is changing in the curvature of the point. So now select the first point and the fifth point as shown in photo. We have to create ribbon style design, because for braided it is it will looks like a ribbon in side view. So try as much as ribbon shape possible. Okay, and make it more curvature so that their curvature and their mixing could be a very smooth way. So it should be look like a very smooth. Okay, now let's move to the origin position where we have started this curve. Okay, then after we need to create pattern along the curve. So I need this curve along the pattern, so we will use arrow curve. Then after select the base point. Okay, make sure base point should be in a proper way, items and distance should be a proper way, then after only your design will get perfect. Okay, so I am selecting this another base point. Okay, so distance is a little bit different, so now specify 9. Okay, so this is fine, we need one extra curve at the end. Okay, and one more copy at the beginning. Okay, so you have to follow the same things. Okay, make it parallel in your rhino. Okay, open your rhino and do all the things as I have done. Okay, this is the good selection option if we use right plane, and then after we can select the all the curves in single click. Okay, so currently I don't want this, let's hide it, hide this option, hide all the unnecessary objects, select the curve using side view. Okay, now we will use join option, join command. Okay, then after go to front view. Okay, now okay, we have to move on particular distance, because you have to observe your design. The braided should be up and down, so use your curves as shown the distance in video. Means you have to adjust your positions. We need 3 curves, means we need 3 total patterns. So we have already created 2. Now again I want one more. So keep pressing Alt key and use arrow key and double check your braid pattern. Okay, so this is not the final. If there are changes, we can also change and move later. Now use pipe command, specify proper radius, and you can check their curvature. They are not intersecting, so this is fine. Now let's use a bigger value. Okay, let me make it little bit change. Okay, let's again do same exercise. Keep pressing Alt key and move accordingly, curvature according to curvature. If they are not intersecting, again I was finding perfect distance for you, but you have to adjust as per your shape and length, because all the time we have to create with the different length and different value. So this at this moment you have to judge your work, means where it is going down, where it is going up. Okay, so this is a perfect shape of braid. Okay, looks good. Okay, now we don't need extra portion. Okay, so I have created extruded, okay, line, extruded curve. Okay, so we have to trim curves, not the solid objects. So this is the good option. Let me try this option. I'm just going to trim curves, not the solid objects. So let's move the extra objects, trimmed objects, to another layer and hide them. Now select the curves and then apply pipe with the proper radius. Okay, you can change diameter later. Okay, go to front view. Now we will apply flow along curve, select the middle curve and target curve. Okay, this will take little bit time. It's depend on your RAM and processor. Okay, so this is fine. Good braided shape. Now let's look it into render view as I have shown in final video. Yeah, thank you.